Today's message in church was about relationships and marriage. Pastor encouraged guys to make a move or else someone else might take your package. There's this lady, she's really nice. She's like a sister and a friend. She was looking great and I want to tell her, but my hand is struggling to press send. If I tell her today, it'll be obvious. I'll wait till Sunday after next. I'll tell her in person, face to face. She may not reply to a text. Maybe I need to wait even longer. Maybe next month or next year. I hope she's still available then. I can see a few guys coming near. Someone said to me, bro, you don't have anything to lose. Ring her alarm, share your intention. The worst you can do is press snooze. Okay, I'll do it today. I'm a Christian. I'm really spiritual, but first I need to go and pray. Does anyone have any advice for this guy? I may or may not be the guy.